Order filled.
Okay, so once price takes this previous short-term high and we get a candle closure above this previous short-term high, then I'm going to move my stops towards break even, and then the TP is going to be at this point here. And I'm running my final TP at 20.070.50. So we have this mitigation paired with this fair value gap and a draw for the New York Open. ES is a little close, so we want to see NQ pick up here, because once ES does take that New York Open, I'm going to have to close out of this position fully. Then once we take this short-term high by a tick on NQ or ES, I'm going to move my stops to short-term low at 0.75. There you go, guys. Oh, final TP smashed. I'm out. It's literally glitching.
Order filled.
That's it, guys. Final TP smash. 63 handles secured. Easy stuff. So we're up comfy on the week, and that's pretty much it. I mean, one minute candle and it's off. Straight to the New York Open, 63 handles. I didn't feel comfortable entering here, but we had this energetic displacement higher, and this is the displacement that I'm talking about inside of the YouTube video that I dropped on my channel. And we have a mitigation very cleanly paired with that fair value gap with a very good stop placement, and it's a 1 to 2.2 risk to reward and up on the week. We didn't even have time to move our stops to break even. I mean, price took out short-term high and just went straight to final TP. It didn't even let us move our stops to break even, but I'm not going to complain, because the trade that we took yesterday, right? So we took a trade yesterday inside of the second day of macro, and guys, how long did that trade take to, give us some sort of result, even off break even? It was extremely slow, and that was mainly due to the fact of the first day of macro, we did have a huge move lower. So whenever we do have that, then usually the next macro is going to be a consolidation period where it's just relatively slow, and that's what we experienced. So we was inside of the trade yesterday, inside of the second day of macro, which was just relatively slow. But that's pretty much it, guys. I mean, final TP smashed in 2 minutes. 2 minutes. Not bad at all. You can look to target, yes, you can look to target Asia highs and other points of buy side. But me personally, for a quick 1 to 2.2, that's all I need to make money. So I'm not going to look to target any unnecessary points of buy side, such as just random points of buy side that don't make sense. I'm not going to look to target any of these levels. If I was to look to target another point of buy side, then it would only be Asia highs. I'd run my final TP a few ticks below. I would definitely be taking at least 60-70% off around this level here and my final TP here. But it doesn't make sense for me to do that, because it's not going to make me that much more than if I was to close out fully here. Because if you work out the maths and you close out fully here at 63 handles, or you close out 60%, or you close out 70%, and you ride 30% of your position towards Asia, then yeah, it doesn't really make too much sense. You're not going to make that much more money. You're just more wasting your own time. And majority of the time, price doesn't really draw towards these levels once the New York Open has been met. I have more of a bearish bias today anyway. So taking this long, I was very careful in taking it. And when I seen that displacement higher, which was textbook, very textbook displacement higher for price, we also inversed the 5 minute. That was the final confirmation for me. So I seen the 5 minute got inversed, and obviously that displacement was super clean paired with that mitigation. So that was the overall breakdown for that trade today, guys. Hopefully that made sense. And we are up, say, 60 handles or so on the week. Around 50 handles, I believe. But yeah, anyways, so it's actually me done for the day. I'm not going to be taking any more trades. Let's get a few W's in the chat as well. Let's get a few W's in the chat, guys. Yeah, spam the W's in the chat, guys. Yeah, also, so after this stream, I'm going to make this stream public on YouTube so you guys can rewatch it or whatever. How much did you guys make today? How much are you up on the week so far? And also, the benefit of the backtesting sessions is that when we do backtest on Sundays, I know last Sunday I didn't do it, but I had a meeting to attend to, so I apologize for not doing it on last Sunday, but it's definitely going to go ahead this Sunday, 100%, is that we break down the trades. Even though they were profitable trades, we work out where possibly we could have gone wrong, and we work out the overall thought process for the week ahead, so we can work out the weekly buys for the week ahead and just simply break down the trades that we took that previous week and see whether we went wrong or what we did right and what we obviously need to improve on. And that's all backtesting's for. I mean, even myself, considering that I've been trading for 5 years, I've been trading ICT for 3 years now, obviously I still make mistakes here and there. There is still a few positions that I do take here and there, and I think, oh, I wouldn't have actually done that again. I'm not going to do this again because of this, this and this. And yeah, you're always going to be improving over time. Someone said up 2k, still holding, bad fill, but got 1,900 2k. Yeah, lovely stuff, guys. And I hope everyone has a great rest of their day, and we'll be back tomorrow for the AM session as usual. And we're up around 50 handles in the week. So I'll speak shortly.